This is a really good question. So try to pause the video and read the question. Try to visualize it. Once you are able to visualize, then things are easy. So let me explain the question with a figure. So in the question, it is given that there is a ball. This is the ball which is falling from the height h. So let's consider this height is h, capital H. And there is an incline. It is hitting the incline at the height small h. So here it is hitting, and this height is small h. So whenever they are telling height, you have to measure from the ground level, not from the top. So it is coming, it is hitting here, then it is become horizontal. Its velocity becomes completely horizontal. Okay, then if you see its motion, it is going to be projectile motion kind of thing. It will hit the ground. So overall, from where it is dropped and where it is hitting the ground, it is taking time t. So in order to maximize this time to reach this ground, what is the value of this capital H by small h? That's what we need to find. So in this process, there are two times involved. First time is like this one, like it is dropped and it is going to hit the incline. It will take certain time, let it be t1. Then next one is after hitting the incline, it is becoming horizontal and it is going to reach the ground. For that, the time is t2. So this is the total time. So let me explain this with a simple idea. Consider this is a ball and it is dropped from the height x. It is reaching the ground. How to find the time taken for this one? We can use equation of motion, which is s equal to ut plus of at square. So since it is dropped, so the initial velocity is 0. Now the time is going to become, since s equal to x, it will become 2x by, sorry, yeah, it's correct, 2x by g. The same idea I'm going to use it here. This distance is going to be capital H minus h, and this distance is h only. And here also we can use the projectile motion idea, like initial vertical velocity is going to be 0 in this case also. So if I write this, t1 will be 2 h minus h by g plus 2 small h by g. This is the total time. Now we need to maximize this time. So this time depends on only one thing, or only one variable, that is this small h, right? So we can differentiate this time with small h and equate it to 0. When we do this, we can get the ratio. So let's differentiate. dt by dh. I think it's better to take some components out which are common. This 2 by g is kind of common. Then we left with root of h minus h, or h minus h power 1 by 2 plus h power 1 by 2. So we get root of 2 by g. This will become negative 1. Okay, can write in this way. 1 by 2 into h minus h, negative 1 by 2 into negative 1. So I have used the chain rule, and plus 1 by 2 h power negative 1 by 2. And this should be equal to 0. Now we can take this 1 by 2 common, and when this root 2 by g goes that side, it will become 0. So it will become h minus small h power 1 by 2 negative plus h power negative 1 by 2, which is equal to 0. So we can write h minus h equal to h. When you rearrange and square it, then h by h will become 2. So here the ratio is going to be 2.